Okay. Alright guys, we're back. We ain't messed with this thing in a few days. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and put this line lock solenoid in. And I got the brake lines broke loose. And so now all I've got to do, this is the line coming from the master cylinder for the front brakes. This is where it teased and went to both front wheels. So all I got to do really is come out of this brass fitting here at the bottom, tie to that T, and tie this one to the top, wire it up, we're good to go. So, the first thing we need to do, I need to get that out of the way. It don't want to come out of the way though. I just need to right now get out of my way. Alright, so I've got to unfold this line here and reflare it and put a different fitting on it. Shape it to come around and come up and over. Not a real big deal. Alright. Y'all can see a little bit. Okay. Let me grab a tubing cutter. Alright. I got that line lock solenoid rolled around a little bit where the fittings are. So maybe this will work. If not, oh well. We got more tubing. What, Bobo, what are you doing, man? Rambo come in here and check us out. Make sure. We'll make sure this is the correct fitting for this T. It feels like it is. I mean, I guess the only one I got up here. Good. Time to double flare again. Somewhere right along in there. Piece in. Yowza. Okay. All right. There's what we made. Maybe that'll work. All right, let's see. I don't know if you guys can. All right, we'll see if we can make it happen. Y'all might be able to see it maybe. Well, for some reason it don't want to start. Well, I may have ruined that brass tee. And it sure don't wanna. Let's see. Maybe. Screwed in right another brass tee just like that one. Well, I guess I just won't hold my mouth right. I don't know. dead wire. I swear everywhere. I got to do something with this wiring. Much of this, 2/3 of this wiring here is not going to be used. Alright. See if you can zoom a little bit in on you guys. The other zoom in. Alright, I mean there's the T. Solenoid coming from the master cylinder, coming out. Going to the front brakes. So, it's piped up. And, well, it's not wired yet. It will be shortly. Little plugs done popped out, but I can get the pick and get it back in there. Okay. So, way it wires up, goes to a push button, toggle switch, whatever you want. I'll probably put a push button on the dash somewhere, easy to get to. One of these is ground, it doesn't make any difference. Yep. Yep. 2 black wires, identical. One's a ground, goes right there to the body ground. There's a load of grounds right there, it can loop around and go to the ground. The other one would go to a daggone toggle switch, push button, however you want to wire it up inside. That's pretty much all it's got to do. Yeah, probably a good idea not to have it on maybe have it on a toggle switch that's only hot when the ignition switch is on. I don't think it really matters. Nobody's going to be sitting there punching the line lock button anyway, but anyhow, I'll probably wire it up where it's on a, well, you need it on a push button and or toggle switch, something, whatever, that you can get to comfortably while you're holding the wheel and changing gears. Be it a manual or an automatic, that really doesn't matter. I mean, but for those who don't know, you know, all the line lock does is it's just a solenoid that goes in between the master cylinder and the front brakes. You pump your brakes up a couple licks, or you could put it on rear wheels if you had a front wheel drive car, I guess. I don't do that stuff, so I don't really know. But yeah, I mean, that's all you're gonna do is pump your brakes up, a couple good pumps, hold them down, hit the button, mash the button and hold it, or flip the switch, whatever you got. Take your foot off the brake pedal, and that holds the pressure on the front brakes and releases the pressure off the rear brakes, so you can do a burnout real easy. I've seen people talking about using them for parking on hills and all that. I live on flatland, I don't know nothing about all that. But anyway, that's all we've ever used them for. Just doing burnouts with us. Drag car, street car, doesn't matter. Just makes your burnout look so much better. And if you get a drag strip, you need them, because I have 4-wheel disc brakes on this thing, and it's, oh Lord, it's almost impossible to try to do a burnout and hold it. Now you can, you know, roll in the water and punch it, and it'll spin there a little bit, but this will work a lot better. This work a whole lot better. So anyway, guys, let me see if I can't round up a switch and some wiring. I got to bleed these things, bleed these front brakes again now, and we'll be right to try something out. Maybe so. All right, I'll get back with y'all. All right, guys, I got all sidetracked and I got the line lock wired up. I got to do something with all these wires here. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but something's got to get done. That looks like crap. But anyway, it's all wired up to a toggle switch. Guess I can show you all the switch, how it's done. All right, right there, ignition turns on the tack light and all that good stuff. And let me back y'all out. The blue light you see right there just lets me know the ignition's on. That one lets me know the fuel pump's on. Got that noisy thing. And then that one, there will be an indicator light. I had to order that. So there'll be an indicator light in that hole right there beside this line lock switch. So really all you'll do, pump your brakes up 2 or 3 times, hit that, let go of your brakes, do your burnout. As you start to roll out, get ready to roll out your burnout, flip the switch off, roll on out. And that's the one reason I'm gonna have an indicator light on it, just so we'll know when it's on. But anyway, guys, that's what we got. Anyway, line lock's pretty simple. You can make them as complex as you want or as simple as you want. That's all it takes. I was thinking about putting it up on the steering wheel, but this is a street truck, man. It's not going to be a daily driver. The last couple of race cars, I had them up here on the A-pillar, but, you know, I didn't particularly want it there. Didn't really want it down here by the shifter. You know, so it's not like it's something you're going to be mashing. If they sit straight in the water box, you know, it's no big deal. But if you got the halfway drive one out the water box, you don't want to be having to mash a button and change gears and jack on the steering wheel all at the same time. So that's what I done. And so, all right, guys. Well, I'm gonna call it a day. It's done. It's over with. We will see y'all on the next one. Later.